Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It's Theresa here, and today I have another layout from my 2021 October Daily mini album. And so today is day 15, and it's super quick, it's super short. This is a great kind of page to do for those days when you're feeling reflective. And that's exactly what this page is all about. And so I had just a simple photo taken from the car while I was in the car line at school, just the sky. And I remember just enjoying the fact that the temperatures were getting to be cooler and more enjoyable, and it marked the end of summer. And so to mark the end of summer here, I pulled in the enlarged photo into Photoshop and added the summer quote, the end of summer quote, and a couple of embellishments from the Traci Reed On the Go and Going Slow kits. And this makes the simplest page to include just some thoughts about whatever's going on in your life. Find a cool quote and let that be your journaling. And it doesn't have to be very complicated. A couple of notes. The majority of the work that I did for this layout was done in Photoshop before I printed it. And so basically what it amounts to is two printouts. The photo, which has stitching, the doily, and a butterfly on it. And then the vellum has the quote using alphabets from the kit. It has a butterfly and a couple of washi strips and a little floral element at the bottom. And of course, printing it on vellum means that it has that beautiful sort of filmy, ethereal look to it. And I just printed those both out. And I had the back of the pocket from the day before. This was a pocket that houses the playbill from the Wicked show that we had gone to see. And so I'm going to just add a little embellishment to that. I don't want it to be very complicated or very, it doesn't have to have a lot of embellishment here. Just something to give that page a little visual interest. You could absolutely just leave the pattern paper as it is, but you all know I'm a little extra, so I'm going to add this little circle embellishment. This is from Color Cast Designs, and I love how it already has adhesive on the back, and so all I had to do was peel that. And then I had a couple of thin leaf embellishments as well. I've used those before in this album, and so this is a great opportunity to use up a few more. And so I'm going to just adhere those at the top and bottom here just very quickly. And once that's done, then I can basically consider the layout finished. The quote, in case you're wanting to know, it says, "On the shore of nature's magic, I dreamed summer knew no end." And this is written by Angie Wayland Crosby. And I realized after I printed it that I didn't credit her on the printout. So I'm just going to grab a pen real quick and add her name at the bottom. Just handwritten. That gives my handwriting a little bit of presence on the layout, and also make sure to credit her. Thank you so much for following along with this lovely album project. There is a blog post that goes along with this and has the full photos and process videos for days 13, 14, and 15 on my blog. I'll have that linked below, along with products where they're available. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you back here again soon. Bye-bye.